Welcome back to Fashion with Bana. Today, we're diving into the elegance of gold with a stunning collection of bracelets and rings that are perfect for any occasion. Whether you're looking for something timeless or trendy, this collection has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support my channel and stay updated with the latest in fashion. Thank you for watching. I hope you loved exploring these exquisite gold bracelets and rings as much as I did. You can find the order links in the description box below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest fashion trends. See you in the next video.